Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay January 19, 2024 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayon January 19, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong Friday, January 19, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for January 19, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 30.5 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 54 million pesos for Friday, January 19, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of January 19, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.